Hello, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to download and install the software called Smart Notebook 11.4, the one that is used with smart notebooks. In order to do so, I'm going to open a web browser. I'm going to type google.com, and in the search field I'm going to write Smart Notebook 11, and you will see that the first downloads, here it is in Spanish, it says download Smart Notebook, Smart Technologies, descarga the Smart Notebook. I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to click that link and will be taken to the Smart Notebook page. This is what we will see. If we go further down or we scroll down, first step is to write down the key or the serial number. You will see that it's got different slots. I've got mine over here. I'm going to copy and paste each part in the correct positions or slots. You would have to ask for it to the school where you work, or you will check it on the Smart Notebook software or the Smart Notebook itself to get this number. According to the number you have, you will be allowed to download a different program, or not the different program, you'll be able to download a different version of the software. As you can see, I've got an old serial number or key, and I cannot complete these last numbers over here. Or characters over here. Nothing happens, you just click on the arrow that you've got on the right, and you will see that a warning message appears telling us that we are allowed to download Smart Notebook 11.4 with the serial number or the key number we've got. This is the one we will be using. Yes, we scroll further down. Step 2, select your version. Then you will have to select if you have got the operating system which belongs to Windows or Mac. In this case, I've got Windows. And then I'm going to choose if I want to install it from the web or in the USB installer. I'm going to choose the web. If you see it weighs less. And what you need to do is to complete step number 5 with your information. Wherever you've got the asterisk, you need to complete that. It's a compulsory field. So I'm going to complete with my information. And you will see that these fields have been blocked or covered so that you can't get my personal information. Security reasons, but I need to complete that. Yes, I'm from Argentina, school district Buenos Aires, name of the school. Yeah, you have to click and accept the smart. No, I'm not going to choose that. You will see that you've got a button to start the downloading process. I'm going to click on that button, and you will see that as I'm using Google Chrome, at the bottom left corner, the file that is an executable file, it's being downloaded, and it's going to take some minutes or seconds. In this case it says 35 seconds. That will depend on the internet connection you've got. That file that is being downloaded is you're going to click on that file and the installation process will begin. What you're doing now is downloading the file to start the installation process through the web. Yes, so you need to have internet connection to do so. As we can see, the downloading process has finished. I'm going to click there and the file will be executed. If you cannot see this, we've got a window that says ¿Quieres permitir que esta aplicación haga cambios en tus dispositivos? Would you allow this application to make changes in your device? We click on yes option, and we've got this window that is the one to start installing the software. You can leave this box checked or uncheck it. Antes de instalar, compruebe si existen versiones más recientes del software. I'm going to uncheck it because I know that there are new versions, but I cannot download them due to the key number that I've got. So I'm going to hit on next or siguiente. I've got this contrato de licencia that I need to accept the terms. I hit next or siguiente. The program would tell us where to install all the files. You may modify this or not. I strongly suggest not doing so, but you may. We hit on siguiente, and I'm going to tick Smart Notebook. Yes, to tick the box there, and you can see that it automatically ticks also Smart Controllers products, and that it includes the Smart Ink. Do so in order to have this little button installed as well, that it will allow you to do certain specific things with the interactive whiteboard. I hit on siguiente. It will allow to create a menu in Smart. Yes, I accept that. Nota, incrustar, okay. Next, there are no options. Activate the program. Yes, I need to do so. That's why you need a good password or key number. It will ask us if you want to download all these galleries. You will see that they are kind of heavy or loaded with things, but you will have plenty of material in the software that is really good and great. Here, after clicking on next, you can select on the languages. As my system is in Spanish, it has already detected that, but you can include more languages. I'm going to choose English, the United Kingdom, so I select the language and click on the arrow that points to the right. Yes, you see that it's going to download the program in the two languages. So all the menus, etc., will be either in Spanish or in English, depending on your choice. Once you have done so, you click on Siguiente. It will tell you what it's going to download, in this case the program, the ink controller, the controllers themselves, and those are the elements that will be installed. And then you hit the install button. This will take quite some time, again depending on the internet connection is going. Sometimes it will last, or it may last between 30-45 minutes to install everything. Again, depending on the computer, the operational system you've got, the processor, this may make your computer go a little bit slower or not. As from this moment onwards, I'm going to sort of fast forward the video so that you do not fall asleep while this process goes on. What the installation process is doing now is downloading all the galleries to your computer. By this time you will be able to see on your desktop two new icons, one that is Visualizador de Documentos, Smart Ink, and the other one is the Smart Notebook 11.4 or 11 perhaps is what you can see, which is the one you use to access the software that comes with interactive whiteboards. Again, this process of downloading all the pictures, as if you remember, they are kind of heavy, it might take a while. Once it has finished, you can activate your products at the moment, and then you click on Finalizar or Finish. To activate, you will have this window with a code number, the key number you've typed in, and if you have another one, you click on agregar o generar clave de producto seleccionada. To remember, this is active de nuevo la clave de producto. Next, you're given a new number, but I'm going to choose this one, accept. Next one, it's going to connect to Smart Notebook, and you have activated, and that will be it. I'm going to show you the two icons. This is the one you will use, Smart Notebook 11, and the other one that is being installed, or it has been installed actually, is Visualizador de Documentos de Smart Ink. When you double click on this icon, yes, Smart Notebook 11 software is going to be opened. It will take a couple of seconds. And the program, I'm going to to reduce it so that you can see what it looks like. This is the version 11.4. You've got there, acerca de Smart Notebook. We can see that where it is licensed. Here it is, version 11.4. Okay, and that would be it. It took me actually about an hour and 10 minutes to download, if I'm not mistaken. Hope it has been useful. See you around. Goodbye.